Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology, the Department of Information Technology. Today we are just going to see about the lecture series in the subject Internet of Things. In the first unit is IoT Introduction and Application. So last class we have just seen the overviews. Now we are just going to see IoT definition and IoT frameworks. First of all, IoT definition. Let us see. First of all, Internet of Things. It is in the 21st century phenomenon in which physical consumer products that is connected to the web and starts communicating with each other by means of sensors and actuators. Here the term Internet of Things, it denotes a trend where a large number of devices benefits from communication services that it uses the Internet prototype. Next is the M2M terms. Here it refers to the M2M mechanism. Here, next, in simple term, IoT means we are just connecting the two devices with the help of Internet, and which it can be either manually or automatically. Next comes the mainly two challenges of IoT. Here, the two challenges of IoT are the International Telecommunication Union, that is telecommunication standardization sector. It tells the main two challenges of IoT, that is, first is the current manner of using the IP must be changed to a system that provides an IP address to every possible object. Next comes the power behind the embedded chips on such devices will need to smaller or more efficient. And the next is the software applications must be developed that can be communicated with the managed streams of data from hundreds of interconnected and non-computing devices. Next comes the IoT views. Here the IoT views, it mainly consists of view A and view B. First of all, view A, it mainly includes that IoT just as a concept, whereas view B, it tells about IoT is an infrastructure. It refers to the infrastructure. First of all, let us see in detail about the view A. View A, it mainly consists of the IoT that does not refers to a network. It is an infrastructure. That is, IoT is not a technical terms, but it is a concept. This is the view A. View A, it mainly tells that a technological revolution that represents the future of computing and communications, and its development, it depends on the dynamic technical innovation. Here, the Internet of Things, it links the objects of the real world with the virtual world, thus it enabling anything else, that is any places, then connectivity for each other, anything and not only for anyone. This tells about the detail about the view A. Here, let's see the view B. In the case of view B, here a global network infrastructure linking physical and virtual objects through the exploitation of data that captures and communication capabilities. Here, this infrastructure it mainly exists on world internet and network developments. Here, it it will offer specific object identification, sensors, and connection capabilities as the basis for the development. Next comes a global information and communication infrastructure that enabling automated chains of actions. Here, the automated chains of actions in which includes the Internet of Things. It mainly consists of networks of sensors that is attached to objects, communication devices, and it provides data that can be analyzed and it is used for initiating automated actions. Next comes the working definition of an IoT. Here, there are main working definition as first, dispersed from instructions objects, that is things, with embedded one or two ways, that is communications and some of computing capabilities, where here the objects are reachable over a variety of wireless or wired local area and wide area networks. Next is it includes things, sensors, actuators, and tags and objects. All these are main working of an IoT. Thank you.